Hey guys, it's Nathan. So tomorrow is KeyCon. We are heading to KeyCon, guys. Oh gosh, people are just looking at me and staring at me like I'm some crazy man. Don't get how people vlog. But yeah, anyways, we are going to try and vlog KeyCon 2019. I'm going to be staying in New York for a couple extra days after the event to hang out with some friends, but at least up to the event, I will try to vlog it. We are in Chicago. Just had a 4.5-hour flight. Sat next to a baby, but they were surprisingly not that bad. So I have 2 hours to kill. What should I do? But for those of you guys who don't know what KeyCon is, I'm just gonna find an empty area to talk. So what is KeyCon? For those of you guys who don't know or have never been to, KeyCon is one of the... You can head over to keycon.info to get more information about it, but KeyCon is one of the biggest keyboard... KeyCon, to my knowledge, is one of the biggest mechanical keyboard meetups that happen worldwide. It is affiliated with GeekHack, I believe, and a lot of prominent members usually show up to KeyCon. This will be my first KeyCon, so I'm pretty excited to meet a lot of new people. I don't really get to interact with a lot of East Coast folks a lot of times, and a lot of people do actually fly out to this event. So very excited to meet a lot of new faces. Before I board, I do want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this trip and video, Novel Keys. If you guys don't know, Novel Keys stocks my stickers, but they actually helped fund a great portion of this trip. Thank you so much to Novel Keys. They are a sponsor of this channel as well. I will have a link to all their sites down below, but please consider checking them out. They're an awesome community member / vendor, and they sell a lot of amazing products that I use quite regularly. So yeah, go check out novelkeys.xyz. I believe my promo code still should be NK Types at the time of making this video. It might change, but yeah, thank you so much, Mike. I hope to see you at KeyCon. Mike will be there at KeyCon, to my knowledge, so it should be exciting to see you. And we're in New York. I'm so tired. I didn't say this already, but I will be leading a panel tomorrow at KeyCon for the designers. There's going to be 3 panels, I believe. I don't know if the guest list has been, the presenters list has been announced yet, but yeah, I will be leading a panel. So I was coming up with questions for that on the plane right here. Hopefully I came up with some decent questions that aren't too basic. But yeah, that kept me pretty busy for the majority of the plane ride. I haven't eaten yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat tonight, but I will be staying at a friend's house.
Yeah, dude, take it off, man.
So we're staying at my friend Koi's house. He's a future MD.
MD, PhD.
Please!
MD, JD, PhD.
No. That's too many years of schooling. I'm trying to make money, dude.
Gonna be the best doctor in the world. And look at his chopper cup. Ooh! So today is the day of KeyCon. Time is it? It's currently 8:43. KeyCon starts at noon. Super early in the morning, so I need some coffee. This is where I stay. Ivy. And looks like Yelp recommends the Coffee Inn, the second highest rated place. So So we're gonna go check out the coffee and let's see what their coffee tastes like. So before KeyCon starts, I'm supposed to meet up with Olivia and a couple other community members for breakfast. I think we're getting dim sum. The place Olivia sent me was Jing Fong. I think they have dim sum, yeah. So we're gonna head over to Chinatown, I believe that's where it is. But first, coffee first. And then yeah, we'll make our way down to Chinatown. Start the day off nice, meeting Olivia and the others. Pretty close friends of mine in the community. And then we'll see what KeyCon is all about. I'm pretty excited for KeyCon. Got my gear all packed up. Weather's not too hot, thankfully. Actually, it's not that hot at all. But it is kind of early. It is expected to go up to 80 degrees later in the day. But the venue is inside, so I don't think that's too much of an issue. I wanted to wear my hoodie, but it's too hot for a hoodie, I think. So yeah, no hoodie today. So that was a pretty cool little coffee shop. It seemed like it was run by 3 guys wearing fedora, kind of cute fedoras, I suppose. Had a very nice vibe inside. I got a iced vanilla latte. It's a little too sweet for my taste, but the coffee's pretty good. I would give them like a solid 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. The guys were really friendly. They did give me permission to film, so that was pretty cool. You guys should always ask for permission to film before you do so in establishments like that. But yeah, I think I would come back again. Would recommend. I've only tried 1 drink so far, but
I've learned how to do this from you.
this is Mr. Petrov, by the way. That's his first experience with a PBR brand.
And then I go, ooh, ooh. It's like that scene out of Pulp Fiction.
So it's got
I have to be gentle.
Yeah.
I'm out of here.
I actually would like to see this a lot. I've not seen this in like...
I love this color so much.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Take it out.
out with my designer, Improvade Todd. He's the guy who does all my graphics and assets. And yeah, he introduced me to La Colombe coffee. They sell draft lattes. I'm gonna try this out. Wow, look at this packaging. How do you open this? It's pretty good. Would recommend. KeyCon is officially over. It was a great first experience. It was amazing getting to see there were a lot of prominent people in the community. So it was great to finally meet them face to face. A lot of people I had no idea what they looked like until I met them the day of. And everyone is just so much nicer and more pleasant in person, in my opinion. Thank you so much to all the people who organized the event and made it possible, especially Jacob's Mirror, who also invited me to lead a panel on keyboard design. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. tons of people. The venue was it was okay. I wish there was more table space. There wasn't too much space for people to put keyboards on. The biggest complaint though was the lighting. Oh man, the lighting. The lighting was pretty bad for at least filming and photography purposes. I have yet to edit this footage. I hope it's salvageable. I always shoot in RAW and S-Log, but we'll see how it turns out. The lighting was really dim, and just the colors weren't that great either. It was great to see all the vendors though, and there was especially a very strong artisan community presence. So it was great to meet a lot of the makers that I have been following and purchasing from. So yeah, that was really cool to see. I think that was the highlight of KeyCon. My biggest regret is I wish I got more time to talk to people. This is the second meetup that I have been to since I started YouTubing, content creating and all that, and it's hard to go to a meetup and to film the whole event and interact with people, your viewers. I don't get to spend a lot of time with individuals as much as I would like to. So sorry if I didn't meet you guys at KeyCon. Sorry if I cut you short at KeyCon. Yeah, it's tough. 5 hours seems like a lot, but it honestly isn't for an event like this where 400 people come out. So yeah, that's my biggest regret at every meetup I've been to. I just wish I had more time to hang out with people. Yeah, this is my first vlog / KeyCon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am back at LaGuardia Airport. I'm not a big fan of this airport, to be honest. Please consider following me on all my other socials. I will have them linked in my description box down below. Hopefully I will meet you guys at future meetups, and let me know down below if you guys like this kind of vlogging style. My vlogging definitely needs some work. It's pretty awkward. I'm still so awkward, even on stream and on camera. It's weird talking to yourself with tons of people staring at you like you are some crazy maniac. But yeah, as always, until next time, see you nerds.